me today, starting today, for diesel consumption. Uh, which gas stations will be participating as a pilot or phase one, because this is a new program, this is on top of the other programs of government. We are targeting 52 gas stations in NCR, in Metro Manila. And 52 yan kasi yun yung nakalista na may mga permit sa amin. And so far, there are 33 na na-enroll na. The other 19 stations, ongoing yung enrollment. So within the day, makukumpleto na yung 19. O kung meron man kayong mapuntahan na gas station na hindi nag-o-offer, dahil ayaw nilang sumama sa discounting. So this is 52 gas stations in Metro Manila. All the registered and legally operating, kasama sila kahit anumang brand yan. Basta gusto na sumama, included po sila. Makikita rin yun ng mga kababayan natin, ng mga jeepney drivers. May signage din yan kung pwede silang mag-avail ng 10 pesos. There's no other requirement other than kailangan jeepney nila.